let's say now you're in full-time business for yourself. Okay, well now you've just traded one source of income for another. You haven't really expanded. You've gotten rid of your day job, which was one stream, and now you have your business with your core products that you're selling, your core online course or whatever it is. That's still one stream. So my challenge for you would be to add 2 more streams in 2020 to what you're already earning, even if they're small. I'm not really worried about how much they bring in as much as that you have these streams of income. And consider adding 2 of the following. I'm going to give you 6 other potential ways you could have a stream of income. Okay, number 1, create some form of membership site to create recurring revenue. Number 2, if you have a podcast or even a website or even a YouTube channel, you could do this too. But if you have some kind of recurring show, get a sponsor. Get just one sponsor, someone to pay you every episode or pay you every month, however you want to work out the contract, to be your main sponsor. Number 4, affiliate promote a product you believe in, and do it one better, affiliate promote a subscription product like I do with Kajabi. If you can do it with a subscription product, even better. If not, you can still affiliate promote any products you use, any tools you use. If you're a photographer and you're teaching other photographers, affiliate promote your favorite cameras and lenses and lighting on Amazon, right? Just affiliate promote whatever you believe in, because it's another source of income. Number 5, invest in a rental property. And that might sound crazy, but it's not that crazy actually. And number 6, this is a lot easier than rental property. You can open a brokerage account and start buying some stocks and bonds through index funds, right? Buy an S&P 500 index fund or a total stock market index fund from a place like Vanguard.com or Fidelity.com or wherever you do your banking.